You should use a notebook when learning English online. One of the biggest reasons for using a notebook is that it helps you remember. There's a connection between the hand and the brain. By using your hand to write the words and ideas, sentences, etc., you are helping to store the information in your brain. That's why it's a good idea to use a notebook. In this video, I'll give you some ideas for the things that you can write when you're using a notebook for learning English. On the cover of it, I recommend that you write the word English and use it only for learning English. Each entry in your notebook should have a date, the name of the YouTube channel or website or book, the topic, and your notes can go here. Things that can go into your notebook include English grammar. This would be the correct forms of grammar, or popular usage, which is similar to English grammar, except this would be what's popular, not necessarily what is correct. Vocabulary could go into your notebook. Phrasal verbs are a good thing to put into a notebook because there are so many. There are thousands of different phrasal verbs that you need to know. Writing phrasal verbs in a notebook will help you remember them. It's a good idea to identify mistakes. Write about any mistakes that you are making or that you hear other people make. And it's a good idea to practice writing sentences and writing paragraphs. Today is December 28th, 2025. Put the name of the YouTube channel or the name of the book that you're using. In this case, we'll use a YouTube channel. And write the topic that's covered in that particular book or for that YouTube channel or website. Go get it! In this example, it's the verb get. And then any notes that you want to provide, this could be just about anything. You can write about what you've learned, or you can write about why it's useful. This is good because, and then in your own words, explain what it is that you have learned from this YouTube channel or book or website on this particular day. This is a good way to help you monitor improvement that you make over the years that you study English. Let's take the topic of the present tense. Let's learn how to make the present tense using the verb work. In your notebook, it would be a good idea to write down the ideas and the presentation in the video. If it's one of my videos, there's a good chance that I put a verb in the singular and plural forms in the present tense. I take, you take, he takes. And then here's the plural. This takes time, but it's time well worth it if it helps you remember the things that you have learned. If it's a vocabulary word, you can draw a picture and write the word. In this case, for chimney, this is a chimney. Drawing the picture and writing the word will help you remember the word. You could put this into a sentence. Chimney. A chimney is used for, then whatever you want to say about it. If the topic is a phrasal verb, here's the phrasal verb and then the definition for it, and perhaps a sentence. Sometimes this phrasal verb means to find information. I looked this is information, up on the internet. Writing helps you store information in your brain. This is a physical activity, and it's connected to this. Writing will help you remember. This is a good method to help you achieve your goals. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.